So hi everyone, this is Martin Golkowski. This is just a short video to introduce our lab, mentoring philosophy, and kind of to give you an overview if this could be for you. So a little bit of background about myself. I got my PhD in organic synthesis in Germany many years ago now, mainly doing natural product total synthesis. I was also interested in drug target identification, and then for my postdoc pivoted into mass spectrometry-based proteomics. So I did my postdoc in Seattle at the University of Washington in the Department of Pharmacology with Xiaowen Ong, who's one of the leaders in quantitative proteomics. So there I learned everything about sample prep and how to run the mass spec, how to look at the data, got sucked into collaborations with cancer researchers as well. For example, with Raymond Young, I worked on studying cell signaling networks in liver cancers. And this is something we still do. And in 2022, in October, I started my independent lab. And here we really integrate all my diverse skills. That is chemical biology, cancer biology, and mass spectrometry-based proteomics to identify novel therapeutic targets to overcome liver cancer metastasis and therapy resistance. So now we are a team of 4. We got 2 postdocs. One of them is Tankoy. He joined us from South Africa, University of Witwatersrand. And he's a pharmacologist by training. Then we got Alexandria Carlson, and she's a medicinal chemist. Then we have a lab manager, Katie, and a lab tech, Catherine. We rotated a couple students this winter, so that was exciting as well. Hope to grow soon. And in terms of projects, so currently we have one funded project with an R35, developing novel chemoproteomics tool compounds to study kinase interaction networks in situ in intact cells and tissues. Later also trying to map down kinase chromatin interactions as well. So that's obviously very important for transcriptional regulation in these cancer cells. And then Alex is studying adaptor-associated kinase 1, which seems to drive endocytic remodeling during epithelial mesenchymal transition in liver cancer cells. And Tankoy is studying death-associated protein kinases. And if you were to join the lab, you would work with Tankoy on his project. He would be your mentor. And then so in terms of mentoring philosophy, this is really a highly individualized and goal-oriented approach. So we recognize that every trainee, every student that comes to the lab is really like an individual and has very different background, very different life experiences, expectations, a different work mode. And we really will try to be very flexible with that, accommodating you as an individual, helping you to achieve your goals. And I think in return, you will also do your best to further the mission of the lab, which is finding cures for deadly liver cancers. And then finally, I really believe that diversity, equity, and inclusion is an important part of our lab. It really is very important for our trainees and students and postdocs' creativity and well-being, and makes this lab what it is, that is an interdisciplinary and multicultural hub for scientific discovery and learning. So I hope that helps you to make a decision which lab to join, and we'll be happy to see you here at the University of Utah and Huntsman Cancer Institute this summer. So thank you so much for listening in. Bye-bye.